So ELA program was a very good experience. Coming here to Boston, this amazing city, coming to Harvard, an Ivy League school, a great school.
The classes were very interesting. I learned so many things. I got to experience what university feels like.
I think the class in Harvard is my favorite. I very like the Mr. Michael. He teach me a lot and he's so funny.
What are we doing here today? We're having fun. I've put together a design thinking workshop based on class that I teach at MIT. So I'm trying to come up with some fun exercises for students.
The program has been amazing because we're able to take high school students and we can share with them on a Harvard level. A lot of them are very inspired by sustainability.
The way they show us here, it's really impressive that anyone can solve a problem. Doesn't matter how big it is, you can solve it if you really try and cares about it.
I love the program. I really enjoy that I meet people from other countries. It was really fun. I love it.
I meet a lot of people and I can learn from because I never meet the Brazilian before and they're very nice. Even they don't know you. Hi, hello, how are you? And I'm so happy about that.
For me, all this experience, I know now that my family make a good choice, bring me here.
It's one of the best experiences I have ever had in my entire life.
He teaches us things that are very important for us who want to be entrepreneurs.
It was very, very engaging, and everyone should have this experience and this possibility.